Hi there, Karen. It's Josh here. I just wanted to follow on from our demo yesterday and provide you with some recording snippets of some of what I thought were the key areas of the session. So, first part for me was to look at, and when we were talking about it, was the digital asset management side. So, how are you dealing with all the digital assets that you've got linked with products, and how are you optimizing them for your different routes to market? So, just to recap, all of the assets will be stored within Pimberly's kind of central repository, really, all stored up in the cloud. So you can host all of your assets, imagery, videos, PDF documents, all of which are searchable and previewable within Pimberly itself. Within here, you can post any comments or maybe tags for other users, and you can also store version history as well. So if you've got multiple versions of the same file, you can keep that history kind of archived within the PIM, so you know what went out to a customer at any particular time. So you've got your file types within here, and these are all linked also directly to the product. If we jump into the admin settings here, on a channel, so each of these different channels feeding your routes to market or other businesses, you can drill into them, and on a per channel basis, you can optimize how these assets are kind of produced and exported. So you've got these options within here. You can decide how do you want to distribute this. Do you want them in the same row? Do you want them separate cell? But more specifically, from an optimization perspective, you can determine here, you can set whether this is a mandatory field or not. Don't let this channel run unless we've got images or default image, videos, whatever, populated. And you can also set size limits. When we were talking yesterday, we said web performance was key. And of course it should be, as is for many of our customers. So putting images out in a consistent file size and format ensures that, one, everything looks uniform on your website, and also this is an easy way of standardizing the files to make sure they're all staying below a specific file limit to make sure that everything can be uploaded. To assist with that, you can specify a specific file type, and you can follow a specific naming convention as well. So when you're outputting this, you've got two choices. You can either move the physical file around, or what's becoming more common is just moving the path. So you'll keep the asset stored in the cloud and just provide the path to that system. So here's Bombinate's website that we touched on yesterday. Here's a particular trouser. If we open that image, we can see at the top that this is stored in the Pimberly cloud. So this is a real slick, easy, lightweight way of moving images around. You're not actually sending the entire file, you're just providing a path, which of course doesn't take too much resource in terms of keeping the website nice and slick. Finally, within here, we've got the metadata for the media itself. So if we jump in here, you can see these are all the available elements of metadata, and this can get quite a lot. You can store everything that you want against an image within Pimberly, and you can just decide which elements of that metadata do you want to move on to subservient systems, or do you want to keep it hidden. And this is just a drag and drop exercise effectively. So I hope that helps to clear up on the digital asset management side. If there's any more questions from your side, just drop me a note and we can jump back on again. All right, thank you very much.